things happen in the world, and if they bother you, if they bring up anger, envy, jealousy, fear, whatever it is, if that comes in, that's trying to be released. And I don't want to feel it. I don't want to experience the feelings. That's not spiritual, or you're afraid of it. People are afraid of it. And then we had a reaction to it, which was most likely, oh, I don't want to feel this. I might hurt somebody. Well, if you don't feel your anger, you're more likely going to hurt somebody because the stuff is working around inside of you. That's why I think sometimes people go nuts out of the blue because they've stuffed so much stuff inside that they're not even in control. When it finally comes out, they're just out of control. She leaves the cap off the toothpaste. I want a divorce. You play with red dust or whatever's up there. He will not pick up his laundry off the floor. I tell him over and over. Little things, because the stuff keeps getting repressed. That's where illness can come from. We repress stuff, and the body, the energy swirling around, the body can't cope with it. All the energy that we use to keep the stuff suppressed, imagine if that energy was used for other stuff.